Welcome to your next outdoor upgrade with the Bond Manufacturing 52157 Patio Heater, delivering 46,000 BTUs of powerful warmth. This stainless steel heater stands 87 inches tall and features a 32-inch reflector to spread heat evenly. Easily move it around with the included wheel kit attached to one side of the base. The heater uses a 20-pound internal propane tank, providing long-lasting heat without the hassle of external tanks. Ignite quickly and safely with the easy Piezo Electric Ignition system. Weighing just 35 pounds, it combines portability with robust performance. Perfect for keeping your friends warm on those brisk evenings outdoors. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.